Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use MS Excel vlookup function. We have to go to formula, lookup and reference and vlookup. Lookup value, the value that we want to search. So I want to search user ID ABC19. It will accept its address G5, table array. So the data, the range where we want to search the user ID. So this is our data range. So we have to select it and it will be our table array. Column index number. After searching user ID ABC19 is first column. What we want to search? You can see in the highlighted row ABC19. Here is date, name, city and mobile numbers. So what we want in output? If I want output the date as output, then column index number will be 2. You can see at the top the column names numbers are here, column 1, column 2, date is in column number 2. So it will be our column index number. This is very important because only this decides what will be in our output. Column 2 means date, column 3 means name. We have given column number 2 means date. Range lookup, we have to keep it 0 to search exactly. We want to search ABC19 and display the corresponding value in front of ABC19. So according to it should be date and OK. We can see output date for user ID ABC19. The date is in column number 2 and it is this date. Let's take one more example. Now we want to find the name for user ID ABC19. Same rule. First of all, click on the cell where we want the output, here in this blank cell, and go again to formula, lookup and reference, vlookup. Lookup value. This is going to be same ABC19. Click on it. G5. Table array. The range where we want to search the data. You can select it completely if you wish. This time I am selecting the data range completely. And column index number. This time we want the output name. And you can see in the table name is in column number 3. So column index number will be 3. We want the output from the column number 3. Range lookup again 0 to exact search and OK. So we find the name for user ID ABC19 as Piper. Let's take some more examples so that you will be comfortable with it. This time we want to find the city name for user ID ABC19. Same rule, click on the blank cell, formula, lookup and reference, vlookup, lookup value ABC19, table array. We can select this also because currently I know that my data will be here. Otherwise you can select the complete data range, no issue. And city, we want to find city and city is in column number 4. So type it and range lookup again 0 and OK. So the city is Kyoto, correct. Lastly we want to find the mobile number also, same vlookup. Now I think you are very comfortable. Table array, column index number, mobile number is in column number 5. So our column index is going to be 5. Range lookup again 0 and OK. In this way we can use vlookup function to find any value for a particular key. This may be our key ABC19, you can call it whatever, but a search value with the help of which we can find the result. So this is the main use of vlookup. Vlookup function simply makes our task easier and we have used it only for one key or one data value. Now in this sheet I am taking more example to use vlookup because in practical scenario you may be dealing with big size sheets. So more practice will make you comfortable with vlookup. Again example ABC19 vlookup. Here I want to find the date for ABC19. Click on it. Then table array will be selected. Column index number. Date is in column number 2. Range lookup 0 and OK. This is the problem of date format, so I am going to change it to date format, and date is here. Name. Now we want to find the name for ABC19. Lookup value, this table array, column index number, name is in column number 3, and range lookup 0 and OK. Name, city, same vlookup, lookup value ABC19, table array, city is in column number 4, so type 4 and range lookup 0 and OK. Kyoto. Mobile number, vlookup, lookup value ABC19, table array, you have to select it. Column index number, mobile number is, you can see, column number 5, range lookup 0 and OK. So this is mobile numbers. Now we want to find the result for ABC20 also. So instead of using the same method again, means applying the vlookup for each and every cell and for every row, we don't have to do it again. Simply apply the function in one row and select the range below it where we want to apply the vlookup for other data value ABC20. So we have selected blank cells and use Ctrl D. It will automatically apply vlookup and for new data value, means ABC20. Let's check whether it is correct or not. For ABC20, the date is 1/4/22, yes. The name is Vijay. City Vadodara and mobile number ending in 200, yes. So this value is correct. So let's take one more example for a large data range here. Again we have to apply vlookup only for first row, then use Ctrl D for remaining rows. So let's use it. Lookup and reference, vlookup, lookup value, this time ABC19, table array. I am selecting completely this time the table from A1 to E29. Column index number, for date it is 2 and range lookup 0. So I am changing it for all the cells for date format, and now date is here. Name, again lookup reference vlookup, lookup value ABC19, table array. I am using Ctrl Shift down arrow key and Ctrl Shift right arrow key. You can select in whatever method, with whatever method you are comfortable. Column index number, name is in column number 3, so 3 0 and OK. Now we can go a little bit fast because you are very comfortable now with it. Same table array, column index number, for city the column number is 4 0 and OK. City is here. Mobile number also. Mobile number is in column number 5. Click on it, 0 and OK. Now the rule is same. we will simply select the cells where we want to apply the vlookup. This time our input, our range will be changed. No issues, simply apply one time and press Ctrl plus D. Now the vlookup is applied to all the ranges automatically. Let's cross check one. I am cross checking ABC23. For ABC23, the date is 1/8/22. Okay, so 1/7/22. Name is Nanoj and city Nashik plus mobile number ending in 197. In this way, we can use vlookup function to make our task easier.